Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to join and start earning from the Temu affiliate program in 2025. So step 1, go to the official Temu affiliate page at affiliate.temu.com, or you can just also type this one. Step 2, click join now or get started and sign up using your email or Google account. Step 3, fill in your details including your platform type, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram or blog. Step 4, once you're approved, you will get access to your affiliate dashboard. From there, you can copy your referral links or promotional codes. Step 5, share your affiliate link on social media, in video descriptions or via blog posts. Step 6, when users shop through your link, you earn a commission, typically between 5% and 20%, depending on the campaign. Step 7, monitor your stats in the dashboard and cash out earnings to PayPal or your connected bank account once you reach the payout threshold. Temu provides creatives with exclusive deals, banners, and seasonal promotions to boost clicks and sales. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.